everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can make videos on Rednote app. So it is a very simple process, so let's get right into it. First thing is to launch your Rednote app and making sure that you are logged into your Rednote app. After making sure that you are logged into your Rednote, tap on the plus button that you see on the navigation bar on the bottom of your phone. Now you can simply just select videos from your gallery, or if you want to click videos right now, tap on camera that you see on the bottom of your phone. Now you can see this pop up. Simply just tap on allow to allow Rednote the access of your phone's camera. And then here you can choose the music of your choice from choose music option, which is on the top of your phone. Simply just tap on it, and there you can see multiple music choices. You can even import your own sound by just simply tapping on the import button on the top right corner. And now to click video, just tap on this button and your video will now start recording. After you are done recording, simply just tap on the tick button that you see. Tap on next button that you see on the bottom right corner. And now you can add any titles or context before uploading. Simply just tap on post button and your video will now be posted. Very simple and easy process, right? Hope it helped you guys. If it did, please do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next.